I'm Richard Hutchins, I'm the IMI Skills Competitions Manager, and join me here today at the World Skills National Final 2023 in sunny Manchester. The four different areas we have heavy vehicle, light vehicle mechanics, automotive refinishing, automotive body repair. In each area, the way that the competition is broken down, we have 6 finalists in each category, and the 6 finalists have 6 tasks to do.
What we're looking for is the skills that they've learned, which they're applying on a regular basis as well. So we're seeing not just how they function under competition sort of conditions, but we're looking upon how comfortable they are around different forms of vehicles. But the tasks are very varied as well. Everyone's got strengths, everyone's got weaknesses, but we're looking for that competitor who's got a bit of sort of good skill sets in all areas.
It definitely helps boost people's confidence. Obviously there's a lot of extra training as well, so there's stuff that they probably may not learn just through going for a normal apprenticeship program. I mean, obviously they're brilliant, but the extra additional stuff that we can provide as well is also very beneficial for the competitors.
For anyone thinking of getting involved, I would say go for it. So the opportunity to get your name out there, possibly get better jobs in the future with manufacturers, paint companies.
Winning the medal was a big kickstart to my career because it was something great to put on the CV, but it was also something that set me aside from other qualified apprentices that had just come straight out of colleges as well. So it was a real nice sort of extra cherry on top for me.
It's been very good, yeah. Everyone's getting on well with it and all the judges are really nice and friendly and makes you feel a lot more comfortable, considering it's quite an intense thing to be doing, but no, it's been good.
We have only found out about it at our college since last year. We didn't even know it were a thing. And our tutor says, well, we think you're good enough. Do you want to just have a go? He says, yeah, well, why not? I mean, what's worse that's going to happen? They're going to say no. I weren't good enough, but then that happened, and then the heats happened, and then now this happened, and I didn't realise how big it all was. It was stressful, I won't lie. Not because, I mean, the venue's great and everything, it's just, you know, with someone just watching you like that all the time, it's just, but yeah, I've enjoyed it. I'd definitely come back and do it again if I got the opportunity.
If you are an apprentice and you've just finished and you're thinking, I'm struggling to find my feet in this industry, this is a confidence booster. This will put you high up in the heavens thinking, I know I can do these things, I know I can go into any other body shop and be just as good as everybody else.
Everybody can do everything, you know. It doesn't matter about where you come from, what you do, you know. I've had, you know, challenges in my life, you know. If you looked at my schooling career, I was dyslexic, learning difficulties, etc. And now I'm teaching the apprentices because I had such great mentors, people around me and support to be able to do that. To do this, it's about giving them confidence and building that confidence because you're not always going to have someone beside you.
The competition is open for anybody working towards a level 3 qualification or has finished a level 3 qualification within a 12-month period. Usually the registration's open around February time. Get yourself on there, get yourself nominated, and I'll see you all here next year.